Welcome to A Story by Rakesh. In this video, we will discuss the Angular 18 new features. Angular 18 was just released on May 2024. Here are some of the key features and updates to look out for. General improvements. Zone-less change detection. Angular is moving away from relying on zone.js for change detection. This can improve performance and simplify development. Next is TypeScript 5.4 support. Angular now officially supports the latest version of TypeScript, giving you access to the new language features. Improved forms. Angular 18 introduces enhancements to Form API, making it easier to create and validate forms, along with providing more control over the validation process. Deferrable Views stable. This feature, previously in developer preview, is now stable. It allows you to defer loading of views and their associated components until they are actually needed, improving initial load times for your application. Route redirects with functions. Route redirects can now be defined using functions, offering more flexibility in managing how users are redirected within your application. New redirect command. This command provides more granular control over redirection behavior with guards and resolvers. And lastly, other improvements. Enhanced debugging tools. Angular 18 offers improved debugging tools, including features like debugging with source maps, visualization of components, trees, and data bindings, and performance profiles. These are just some of the highlights of Angular 18. For a more comprehensive overview, you can refer to the official Angular documentation and blog post. Thank you very much. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel. So let us meet in the next video with new topic.